Have you seen those cool lock screen notifications on the new developer preview version of Android L, and you wish you had them on your device? Or maybe you're running a custom ROM that already has them, but you wish you had more customizable options? Well, I'm Sam with MobileTechVideos.com, and this is Floatify. So Floatify is an application that allows floating notifications on your device, not just in the lock screen, but everywhere on the device. It's kind of a mix between the heads-up notification and the lock screen pop-out notifications that you would see on Android L or custom ROMs. Whenever you receive a notification, a little window will pop up alerting you to that notification. Then you can tap on and will take you into that respective application or whatever the notification represents. Now, the good and the bad. First of all, the bad news. This is only available for Android 4.3 or higher. So that's going to limit a lot of older devices that this is not going to work so well on. But the good news is this application is awesome. It's super customizable and works really well. We'll take a look at what we have. First of all, of course, you can enable or disable the floating notifications. Then you have a section here for blacklist applications. You can pick and choose which apps to receive notifications from. Then we have a section for interaction. That's what we can do with how you can interact with the floating notifications. We have a style section here, and this is where you can customize the look of the pop-up notifications. We have several things to choose from, and what's really nice is you have a preview button here so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like when it's all said and done. Makes it much easier for picking and choosing the different elements. To get rid of these, you just swipe. You can choose the type of pop-up that you want. You can also choose the location, top, center, or bottom of the screen. I chose the bottom, that way it doesn't interfere with the clock on the lock screen. You can change the animation if you want, whether it slides in, whether it kind of bounces in, things like that. You can change the width, the background opacity, and much more. We can swipe over and get into the next section here, which is items, and a lot to change in here. You can even change the divider color and so on. Next, we have icons, and as you saw before in the little preview there, whenever you get a notification, the icon shows up next to it, and you can adjust that. And this does have support for custom icons or icon packs through like ADW or Nova Launcher, those sort of things. That's pretty cool. You can change the size, the background, the transparency of the icons, as a drop shadow, things like that. Then we also have the text section, and here you can change the color of the text, the size of the text for the notification title, as well as the body of the notification, and change the size of those individual elements. It's really, really cool. We have a settings section here with some general settings for the application. Here you can pick and choose what is displayed on the lock screen as well as just in your normal home screen or other applications that you might be running. You can choose the sound that plays whenever you get a notification pop up. Interaction is pretty cool here. Here you can choose what happens when you tap on a notification versus a long press or a double tap. You can choose what happens when you swipe to the right or swipe to the left. You can also set up a gesture area in the status bar that when you swipe down in that gesture area, it displays the last notification. I set mine up for the right here, so if I just pop down on the right side, my last notification pops up. And I can either swipe to the right to get rid of it, or I can just swipe to the left and that will close the notification and I can look at it later. So all in all, really cool application. As I said before, if you're looking for that Android L or custom ROM look with the notifications popping up on your lock screen, this is a way to get it. But that's it for me, guys. This is Sam with MobileTechVideos.com. As always, I thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. Helps out the channel. And don't forget to check us out, MobileTechVideos.com. Alright, we'll see you next time.